Life support system means sunlight, water, air, oxygen, food, greenery, all those things. They are necessary for our life. So if all these life support system disappears, it means that we have no option other than to die. So now there are two news that may be called scientific news, that our planet Earth is going to be barren, just like Mount Everest. Before 40 years, Mount Everest was laden with glacier, frozen water. Glacier means frozen water. But now after 40 years, it is like a barren rock. This is a sign that life support system is disappearing. This scientific news. Then the other news is that although we have so much desires, although we want happiness, although we want to enjoy life, but all these things are not achievable to us in this world. So the caption is pursuit of happiness. But if you read the report, you would like to say that the better caption is that happiness that cannot be achieved, happiness that is impossible to achieve. So what is the lesson of these two news? The lesson is that we have to awake. You have to become alive. You have to understand the gravity of the situation. In previous ages, man was of the opinion that someday we will achieve happiness in this world. Someday we will be able to build a paradise of our own. But this goal was not achieved by anyone. And now the time has come that even the planet Earth itself is going to be destroyed. After a long wait, after 1,000 years, now we have reached to this end, that planet Earth itself is going to be destroyed. And we are doomed to die. We are facing universal death. So, what is the lesson of these two news? I think lesson is that it was wrong to expect that we will find our paradise in this planet Earth. It was wrong. It was wrong to believe. It was wrong to believe that someday we will build our paradise on this earth, because this earth was not built for this purpose. not for this purpose. Earth was only for test. And we failed to stand in the test. Why? Because we were trying to build a paradise, while the real job was to prepare ourselves, to try to make us a deserving candidate for the paradise. So this experience and this scientific finding tell us that we have to believe with conviction that happiness is not achievable in this world. Happiness can be achieved only in the paradise, that is in the hereafter. So we have to believe this fact. We have to reorient our mind. We have to refashion our life. We have to adopt a God-oriented life. That is God-oriented thinking, God-oriented speech, God-oriented behavior, God-oriented life. So we have to change our lifestyle. We have to change our mind. We have to reset our goal. We have to reset our target. We have very, very short time, maybe some minutes, maybe some hours, maybe some days, maybe some seconds, because countdown has reached to its end. No one knows that we have some minutes or some hours or some days or some months. No one knows. Everything is unknown. The only thing that we know is that we have to reset our goal. We have to reset our target, that we have to refashion our life, that we have to reorient our thinking, that we have to change our lifestyle, that we have to make our sole concern, that we have to make God our sole concern. Otherwise, what is going to happen? We fail to find happiness in this world. We fail to find happiness, and happiness was our goal. Our goal was to find happiness. So we failed to find happiness in pre-death period of our life. But if we fail to refashion our life, we will fail to achieve happiness in the post-death period again. So it will be double failure. خسرت الدنیا والآخرہ.